Hey everybody, it's Dell again. I just wanted to show you where I have the oils and love displayed. It is my empty essential oil bottles that I've put in a vase, and I just did a live on inking it a few minutes ago. But I wanted to show you where it's displayed. It's easier than taking a picture because I don't think you'd get the full effect. So I'm going to flip the camera around and hopefully be able to flip. Let's see. Well, let's see. How can I do that? Hold on. I'm trying to flip the words, but it's not working on me. I can't remember how to do it on when you're actually already live. Oh, there we go. There we go. So here it is displayed. And let me get in there and take the glare off. But it's full of essential oil bottles. And it's this is where I have my chalking class, where I'm going to be having them soon from now on. My designers were just here and we had a big chalking event. But this is where I have it displayed, and when I have classes I diffuse the essential oils, so this is kind of a perfect place for this. And if you can see, it turned out really good. There's lots of color popping through in the background, and I think it looks pretty awesome. So that's it. I just want to come back and show you the finished product. There's a little glare there, but you can see what it says, oils and love, because that's what I do. A lot of oils. So anyway, thanks for joining me, Cindy, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.